sweet home. Okay. Phew. It's really hot in this sweet home. Warm sweater away. Oh, come on. Oh, get away from me. It's itchy. It's all stuck. Phew. Unbelievable. Oh, what a funny video. So silly and cute. My throat is dry from laughing. Oh, who throws pencils around like that?
You?
Oh, why you? You're driving me mad, Sam. Hey, come back here. Now I have to do everything myself. Here. Right, I need to change. And hop. Out of pajamas. Where are my favorite jeans? Nope, nope again. Nope. There. Okay. This thing. Okay. Come on. No. Ow. What's going on? I need to taste it. I'll stir it a bit. It needs a bit more salt. I'll add just a dash. The dish is ruined. Yikes. Fine. I'll eat some Nutella at least. What's going on? Nope. I'm going to eat that Nutella.
Hey, wash the spoon!
Oh, look who's talking, Mr. Clean. Fine, I will. Everything is against me today. Fine, I'll get ready for today's party. Great, looking good. Is that a pimple there? Ouch! What's happening? Leave me alone.
Samantha seems edgy. I should get her some candies. No more candies here. Let's see. Here! Oh, no, but there should be some left here. Samantha's not the only one who's having a bad day.
Sam, why are you whining?
Because this life isn't sweet at all.
What do you mean? Tell me.
Well, first, we're out of candies.
Oh, that's not a problem. We'll go and buy some more. Here, have a gummy.
You see, I come up with ideas each time and we still don't have enough views and we don't have 1,000,000 likes yet.
Guys, this one's for you. Let's go and like each video on the channel to make Sam happy.
Really? Will you do it for me, guys?
Are there any other reasons to be sad, Sam?
I'm out of inspiration. I want to quit all crafts, ideas, videos, and go to the sea.
Oh, wait. No quitting. Come with me quickly.
Hey, easy there.
Sam, you're an emotional slime. That's why you're under so much stress. I've tried to collect all of the toys in the house that can help you relax. Look.
A spinner? So it was trendy 1,000 years ago. Nobody plays with it now.
Fine. Then I suggest making an anti-stress game for you.
Yay! That's more like it. But, what is that?
Look at all the parts and try to guess. And I'll start cutting them out. I'm going to use my trusty cutter for that. Guys, if you want to make this craft too, ask an adult to help you with the cutting.
never fool around with sharp items.
Yeah, because I keep them all on the highest shelf.
Details. The most important thing is that I don't fool around.
True. These pieces are ready. Did you guess what I'm making?
Sure. Is it tabletop hockey? And these are pucks?
Nope. Let me assemble the pieces while you keep thinking.
Oh.
Right. We need to glue these ovals together. We'll place one on the other and check if the result is sturdy enough.
It's a cardboard sandwich.
Are you hungry, Sam? Here. A chocolate, but don't eat my cardboard.
Hey, I never ate it. Guys, please help me guess what game Sue's making. Write in the comments, but...
These little pieces should be put together as well. And we should get these neat cardboard stacks. It's important to do everything neatly.
Sue, I've got it. It's a tabletop football.
Tabletop again?
Well, I don't need a big one.
That's logical, but no. Help me wrap the pieces. Maybe it'll give you a clue. We'll need this cardboard ribbon.
I've got a piece.
Okay. Now, let's wrap it around neatly.
I'm already done.
Great! Now let's do all the other pieces.
I've got no time. I need to guess your riddle.
I can't understand whether you're a sly slime or just lazy.
I'm one of a kind.
Guys, now we need to make small cuts like this in each piece we've made.
To assemble them later?
Yes, how'd you guess?
Sue, you've got these silicone ribbons here. It was easy.
Yep, give them here. We need to insert the ribbons right into the openings.
Need help?
Yes, add a bit of glue here.
I think I know what you're making. A puppet.
Well, it does look like a puppet, but not quite.
Then finish it yourself. Hey, what are you painting?
I'm painting a tip for you.
It feels like you're confusing me.
Look, here are the arms and the legs and the head. Where have you seen this character?
I don't remember.
Okay, then let's attach it to this piece of wire. Carefully, and... there!
I get it! It's the funny game!
Bingo! Only it won't be a computer game, but a tabletop game.
I told you it was tabletop.
Let's make a box of a suitable size.
Hurry! I can't wait to play! The box is ready. Now we can attach the buddy.
Yes, I also want to make a weight from these batteries. They will help to balance the buddy during the game.
Let's secure it with these thingies, too.
Oh, good idea. Why didn't I think of it?
Well, genius solutions are my specialty.
There, done. I secured it well. Now we need to think of anti-stress weapons.
Shall we call Fluffy?
Oh, no, he'll be the last resort. You'd better bring a piece of paper. Easy, easy. Even an anti-stress toy can't handle so much energy.
Can I use a magic wand as a weapon?
I'll give it a try, but don't make any wishes.
I'm tired. I'll have to ask this boxer to help.
Sam, it doesn't reach the toy. See?
Okay, then let me throw something at it.
Huh, maybe these candies?
I don't throw candies, I eat them.
Okay, then I'll try this hammer. I'll try to go easy on the buddy. And boom! Bam, bam, bam! Come on, you!
Sue, it's a great game. If I'm ever angry or sad, I know what to do. I'll tell Samantha, too.
Okay, but no sharp objects.
You did put them on the highest shelf.
That's right! Boom! Come on! Go! 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 Go!
Guys, what did you think of my new toy? Can you make it too?
Write in the comments and give this video some thumbs ups to keep Sammy happy. Bye-bye! Do you like cardboard crafts? then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to know about a new video as soon as it comes out.